My history with the restaurant business started really when I was 12 years old. I was bussing tables and washing dishes for a pizza chain at that time, and my mother was the assistant manager at that store. In 1988, I went to work at Popeyes. 2015, I bought out all the partners and became sole owner, and that was 3 stores at that time. Now we have 5 stores. The things that are important to me as a franchisee is our customer service and giving them the best atmosphere that we can with the best food we can as fast as we can. This store being all electric, we did 8 fryers in this store. We have electric ovens, we have electric thermalizers that heat the food, of course microwaves and holding cabinets. The 2 months we've been open, we've noticed that our power bills are below what the other stores are, so we're saving energy on top of that. We also do a good job on our shortening savings. The oil with the electric stoves, it recovers faster, it cooks better, more consistent. So the whole thing to me made sense. Product quality has been good, better environment for the employees to work in, and then also our product is better. If I build more stores from here, we'll be all electric in those also.